My name is Carlos Martins. I'm currently the head of Industrial and Operations Unit at Generis Farmacêutica in Portugal. Our company, Generis, it's in the market for more than 20 years now. We are dedicated to generic market only. We are the biggest generic manufacturer in Portugal. We have by far the biggest portfolio in Portugal and one of the biggest also in Europe. It's my first time in PHARMAP. When I was contacted by you, I didn't know about the event, but after I saw the program, I thought it would be very interesting for our company to participate, because the packaging operations are a relevant part of everything we do, and it felt very important to be present at the conference. The meetings were very helpful. We had the chance to meet here some companies that I didn't knew in the beginning, and I think we established some relationship for a future contact in the future, which could be very helpful for both parts. We are I would say we are a traditional pharma company. We still rely heavily on everything that has to do with human intervention. So I would say that presently what we are looking for is ways to minimize that human intervention and to optimize our processes and operations. I must confess that it was better than I anticipated. We got the chance to get with some of companies that we already knew, but the most important was, of course, to establish contact with the companies that we didn't know, and with technologies that we were not aware also. But I think it could be very helpful in the future for our operations and to optimize our productivity and our efficiency. As it was stated here in one intervention from one of the speakers, I think one of the biggest challenges that we are facing, not only in the pharmaceutical industry, but with every industry, I would say, and every segment, is labor. I think in the future it will be very difficult to get personnel to work in some of the industries, and I would say in the pharmaceutical industry also. So I think that the biggest challenges that we are facing is the lack of personnel in the future, and of course that's why these type of events are so important, because we have the chance to get to know different technologies, different innovations that could help us in the future to overcome that lack of personnel. I think this could be the key for the future in pharmaceutical industry. Very good. From the very first beginning, again, as I said a while ago, I was contacted by you, by Anna in the first place. I didn't know anything about the conference or about you, and everything was very well organized since the very first beginning. Yes, the initial contact and everything, it was very smooth. I think so. As I said a while ago, the main goal was definitely to get to know different realities, innovations, what's new in the industry, in terms of optimization, what could help us to overcome the difficulties that we have nowadays. And I think it was completely fulfilled, with not only with the conferences that we were able to attend, but also with the contact with all the companies that were present here, also in the event. Yes. I would say that today it was a big day. it turned better than I anticipated, because we got to know after some of the presentations, we got to get to know better the companies, and we have established many contacts. And I think it will be again very helpful in the future for our efficiency. Very positive. I think we will definitely be present in the next edition or the next editions. Probably not me, but for sure someone from our company, because again we participate in many conferences during the year, and this was in the last years one of the most positive ones that we had the chance to participate, precisely because of what I've just said, is that many interesting companies, many interesting solutions, everyone very open to share the experiences as well during the break. So very positive outcome with this participation.